What's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Andrew Torba here, CEO of Gab.com, giving you the first look at Dissenter, the comment section of the internet. You can see it in action right here. I'm on the Wikipedia Gamergate entry, which is highly politicized, very controversial. A lot of people don't like the write-up that's here. Well, guess what? Now you can go in and comment on this page and say whatever you want. And there's nothing that the Wikipedia admins can do. There's nothing that the Wikipedia editors who sit and camp on this page can do. Absolutely nothing that they can do to stop you. So if you have some truth, if you want to correct the record about Gamergate or any other Wikipedia article, all you're going to have to do is comment on it with Dissenter. And you can do that in two ways. You can use the browser extension, which is what you're seeing right here, or you can also use our web app, which is this right here. And what we'll do, I'll show you how it works. So you just copy the URL, and then you can paste it in here and hit dissent this. And now we'll be able to comment on this link, and you can do this with any URL. And you'll see that it syncs. You'll see the comment that I left from the browser extension syncs with the web app over here. And if I go back over here and pull open the browser extension, and don't mind my slow internet here, you'll see it's the same thing, right? So you can leave a comment here, and anybody else that has left a comment, you'll be able to see what they left on the same URL, right? So if I leave this page, I come back next week, 20 other people have commented on this Wikipedia article, on this link. I'll be able to follow that conversation. Obviously, you can upvote and downvote both links and comments. You can reply, all the normal stuff that you would expect, right? Move over, we'll go to a YouTube link. So YouTube has disabled comment sections on tens of millions of videos this past week. And now they are demonetizing creators who have inappropriate comments on their YouTube, right? So now you can disable the comments if you're a YouTube creator, and just have your viewers use Dissenter to comment on your videos. And that way you don't have to be afraid of getting demonetized and losing your income, or getting a strike on your channel for people that are commenting, etc., etc., etc. And you'll see I'm seeing a comment that was already left on this YouTube video by someone else 4 days ago, right? And if I pasted this link inside of the Dissenter web app, I'd be able to also see this comment, and I could show you guys that right now. Give me a second. Let me copy that link, go back over here, and we'll pull this up. Paste that in there. And there's the comment, right? And if I want, I can leave the comment there too, right? We'll move over to tweets, individual URLs back to tweets, right? You can actually leave comments, and you'll see I left one about 10 days ago where I said learn to code on this tweet about people getting fired from BuzzFeed. Now, people were getting banned from Twitter for doing this, right? Getting completely banned from Twitter for just saying learn to code on a tweet. And what you can do now is comment on any individual tweet, even an individual profile, right? So if I want to go to her profile, this is where it's going to get really fun. I can go to her profile and I can leave a comment on her Twitter profile. And there's absolutely nothing that Twitter can do to stop this. There's absolutely nothing that YouTube can do to stop this. There's absolutely nothing that Wikipedia can do to stop this. There's absolutely nothing that news websites, here's a local news website. You want to comment on local news articles because they shut down comment sections. They censor comment sections. And you'll see that G here left a comment on this article about 8 hours ago, right? Anything, any URL. Facebook page, Facebook link, right? Here's Gab's Facebook page. Let's leave a comment on it, right? Boom, there it is. You can see I left a comment on there 16 minutes ago. I could leave another one there if I want to. Amazon products, right? Let's comment on Amazon products. Let's see what I wrote here. Give me a second. This is actually my internet, not the extension. My internet's being garbage tonight. So you'll see I wrote a comment on the Amazon Echo Dot and said this is a spy device for Jeff Bezos, and you're a very silly person if you put it in your home. Right? So you want to comment on Amazon products, you want to comment on eBay listings, you want to comment on Yelp listings, right? Here's a Yelp listing that I left a comment on a couple minutes ago. Boom, Phil's Coffee is literally the only thing I miss about San Francisco. Leave a comment on anything you want. We'll go back to the main Dissenter page, and we have some cool functionality. So you see the trending news ticker at the top, which is going to display conversations that people are talking about and sharing right now. We have this Discover feature, which is basically like a Pinterest-style, discovery feature to see what people are commenting across links across the web right now, right? It just makes discovery very easy. And as you can see, you're going to be able to upvote and downvote URLs as well. So not only comments, but also the URLs. This random feature is going to be very interesting. So I don't know if you guys remember StumbleUpon, right? But this is basically, you could sit here all day and channel surf and just keep hitting this random button and discover different links, different comments, different conversations that are happening across the web. And the idea is, this isn't built in yet, but we're building this out this weekend. You're going to be able to sit in the extension itself and click this random button. The URL will load in the background, and the comments for that URL will load in the extension itself. We also have search. So search, Google works by crawling links. Our search works by crawling conversations that are happening on links. Right? It's a little bit different. It's a people-powered search versus a link-powered search. So we can search Trump, for example, and we can see what people are commenting about Trump across the web, right? These are all related to Trump. They're all mentioning Trump. So that's how the search engine works. Then, of course, we have notifications, which are going to alert you when people are replying to your comments, when they're upvoting, downvoting your comments, all the basic stuff that you would expect from a notifications section. Then we have a new chat system that we've developed for this as well. Again, chat rooms, basic stuff, invite people. You can have real-time chats about articles. You can do that right from the extension as well. But that is a quick first look at just a very high level of what's possible. Commenting on individual tweets, commenting on individual YouTube videos, commenting on individual Wikipedia articles, commenting on Facebook pages, commenting on Amazon product pages, commenting on Yelp product pages. Really, the sky is the limit. And we really don't even know how you guys are going to use this yet. But it's going to be really interesting, and it's going to make a lot of people really mad online. Specifically, fake news propagandists who can no longer hide the truth. And you'll be able to go right on CNN.com. Let me show you right now. Be able to go right on CNN, or anywhere, by the way, Fox News, wherever you want to go. And let's click on this article here. Let it load. And then, boom, I'll pull open the Dissenter comment extension, and I'll leave a comment on here. And I'll say, CNN is fake news, just as an example. And there it is. And by the way, you don't even need the extension. So this is going to work on mobile as well via the web app. You don't even need to install the extension. All you need is a URL. You paste the URL in here, hit the send this, and boom, there's my comment. You see that comment that I just left from the extension is now here. You'll be able to do this on any URL. So this is going to fundamentally change the internet. This is going to fundamentally change, hopefully, the fake news media. Hopefully, what will happen here is you guys will be able to call out these people on their